Hello guys, so this video is dedicated for those into remote jobs like Outlier, OneFormer, Aligner, and other AI platforms. And you need AnyDesk for your jobs. So, all these AnyDesk, before you can access AnyDesk, like have AnyDesk, you need to pay, you need to subscribe. But this video, I will show you how you can get this AnyDesk for free without paying. So if you go to your browser, you type AnyDesk old version. If you just click AnyDesk old version, you see this first one, you see the second one. You are going to click on this second one. So when you click the second one, you wait for it to load. So this is the AnyDesk. So we are going to you can see this is the versions of AnyDesk that they have released so far. The last one they released this one on May 4th, 2020. This one was on May 7th, 2020. So this is the latest version. This is the latest version. So you don't need to download this latest version. So what you're going to do is to just go down to this, look for old versions like 5 point something. So we're going to look for 5 point. That's the one that will work without asking you for money to pay. So with 5 point something, you can use it without paying. So okay, I think it's a 3 point. Okay, we have a 5.2 here. Okay, we have a even this one they are good, but this is 3 point something. They are good, but we are going for this 5.2. So if you click on the 5.2, you're going to download it. So it will bring us to this interface. Then we'll go down to this. You just go down. You see this download here. It's just 3.1 MB for you to download. You click download. You wait while the thing download automatically. You can see it's downloading already. So you wait while it downloads. Okay. Okay, you can see this is the interface of the AnyDesk. I've already downloaded it already. So for you to set your own up like this, come to this AnyDesk status. When you click this AnyDesk status, you're going to turn off the auto update. The auto update will not allow this AnyDesk to update to the new versions. Okay, so when you turn off the auto update, you are good to go. You can come and start adding the system that you want to control. If you just come here, you type the name of the address of the system you want to control. When you enter it, just you click enter. It will connect to the person's system automatically. So if this video has helped you so well, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscription is free. It means that any day I release video like this, you'll be the first to see it on time before any other person. I also make video on how to make money online, how to do remote jobs, how to find a good remote job that you can do, start making money. And in my next video, I'll show you guys how I secured job from a Meko AI. So they offered me $70 job per hour, $70 per hour job. So I've been doing the work all this while. So if you want me to teach you how to get work from all these online websites online, so try to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I will not make announcement. Like I don't have a group where I make announcement about a new job opportunity, but in my YouTube I make announcement about a job opportunity. So if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you'll be getting updates on a job opportunity. Thank you so much for watching this far. If this video has helped you so much, so do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Solution is free. Thank you. See you next other time. Thank you so much.